If you've been waiting for that gorgeous turnkey Bressi Ranch home
That's been remodeled with designer finishes, then we have just the home for you.
nestled on an elevated lot, 6338 Huntington Drive, has been remodeled top to bottom and has fantastic finishes. Let's take a look.
The welcoming foyer has these soaring ceilings that opens up to the second level. We have tons of natural light coming through all of the windows here. And the neutral LVP flooring and carpet really provide a sense of warmth throughout the entire home.
This home is 3019 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it features a formal living room that we have currently staged as a home office, but it can easily be converted into a movie room, a playroom, or a 5th bedroom.
And the bright and open great room flows seamlessly into this highly updated kitchen. We have new sleek quartz countertops, new hardware throughout, new fixtures throughout, freshly painted cabinets, and as an added bonus, we have a walk-in pantry.
Also on the first floor, you'll find an ensuite bedroom with bathroom, perfect for guests or multi-generational living. All of the bathrooms as well as the laundry room have all been upgraded with quartz countertops, new light fixtures, new sinks, faucets, and hardware.
The low maintenance backyard is the perfect space to entertain or just relax at the end of the day. The home is located on this beautiful tree-lined street, and you're just steps away from the resort-like community pool, parks, schools, and shopping and dining over at Bressi Village.